video is really all about cleaning less. There are several ways that you can prevent dirt from happening, and this helps you clean less. My name is Cindy. I'm a 30-year cleaning professional, and these are proven tactics to help you clean less. Today we're going to go over the kitchen, bathroom, dust, and all around general home. And these things are really going to help you clean less when it actually comes time to clean. It's called prevention. So let's get started. Stove liners save me so much time when it comes time to clean. They just go on your stove, and food that has spilt just goes on the liner. And the liner is made of some material that makes the food just slide off. Literally, there is no scrubbing. You put it in your sink and run some water, and the burnt on food will just slide right off the stove liner. Now, they make these for different kind of stoves. This is the only thing that you need to find the one that fits your stove. Mine and some others I have, and they have them that you just custom cut it. If they don't have the exact liner for your stove, because they only make them for like the most popular like designs of stoves, then you just get them and you cut them and to fit your stove, and you can barely see them once they're under there. They have them for the black, and they have them for stainless steel as well. These really do save some time, but also they protect your stove. So a lot of times when you do have burnt on stuff on your stove and you start to scrub it, it can scratch and wear off the finish on your stove. So this not only saves time cleaning, it protects your stove for a long time. Oven liners, they help you scrub less. Stuff gets spilled in the oven all the time, and it is a hot mess, and especially we don't have time to scrub it. So oven liners are perfect. The food just wipes right off, and you're able to wipe everything down, and this is going to save you so much time. This is ceramic coating. You can use this throughout your house, and I'm going to show you when we get to the bathrooms how to use it in your bathroom and stuff. But this is what I use ceramic coating on in the kitchen, and it is truly a time saver. Shh, don't tell my customers. As you can see, it's good for stainless steel, countertops, and glass. It lasts 6 months to a year, and I use it, my favorite ways in the kitchen is the stainless steel, or like the dishwashing appliance if it's not stainless steel, or the front of the oven where it's glass. Use it on the glass where there's a lot of fingerprints and action, because it just is a really thin layer. It's non-toxic. You can't see it, you can't smell it, of coating. And it just makes everything like bead off, so it really resists fingerprints or any water that has dripped down on your stainless steel, like the refrigerator where the ice maker is and the water is, and all your kid fingerprints and stuff, or anything dripping on your dishwasher, anything like that. It really, really does help it. It's so easy to apply too. If you want a tutorial on how to apply ceramic coating, definitely let me know in the comments. But this is crazy good. It comes with the cleaner, and this bottle will go a long way. I put it in my customers' houses. It lasts a really long time. And it comes with the bottle, a cloth to spread it with, and also, of course, the nozzle. But it is phenomenal, and I highly recommend it for the kitchen if stainless steel is a problem in fingerprints, which in most cases it is. After I apply the ceramic coating, and then I come back to clean one of my customers' houses in 2 weeks, there is a dramatic difference on cleaning the stainless steel and the appliances that are glass, because you just really have to do a simple wipe. You don't even have to use polish or anything, and it just keeps them so much better, and it saves so much time. Now we tackled the hardest parts in the kitchen. Now we're going to tackle the hardest parts in the bathroom. And that would be clutter and your shower glasses and showers. After it's applied, you just go back and wipe off that area, and it's nice and shiny. Difference. Let me show you. Now look at this. Okay, it's all our products. You know, we all have them. but they're in baskets. So as soon as I use a product, I put it back in the basket. And a container for my hairbrushes, and like a tray for my hair things that I use every single day in my chapstick. What happens when you put it in a basket? One, it looks a lot nicer and neater. It doesn't look like you have tons of stuff out and it's all cluttered. Two is, when you get ready to clean, all you have to do is move the basket and clean behind the basket and wipe, okay? Put the basket back. So it makes it a lot faster to clean when you just have to move one thing. Versus, now I'm going to show you the difference. I'm going to take all this stuff out of my basket and I'm going to put it all out on the counter without a basket. And you're going to see what a difference this makes. It's just crazy. Okay, so this is my stuff I have to have and I use every day. So we're taking it out of the baskets and we're having it right here. Okay? You see that? No baskets. Now, doesn't that look like much more cluttery, right? Okay, and then when I need to clean, I have to move all this one by one, or go like this, and go like this to clean behind it, right? And then we got to move it back. No. Now let me know in the comments, doesn't that look a lot better? I mean, it's visually less cluttering in your head, and also it saves time cleaning. Okay, we're moving on to the shower. The same principle goes in the shower with these baskets. You want to have the baskets on the wall or under your shower head, because when they sit on the ledge right there, they collect water underneath and it makes, orange spots, rust spots, all kinds of spots. And not only that, when it comes time to clean your ledges, you have to move the product, clean, put the product back. When they're on shelves like this, you do not have to do that. So that saves time cleaning. If you have not got yourself one of these dish wands yet, I think it's time you start. First of all, this is a brush kind. It's perfect for ones with grout, or they have the flathead kind, whatever kind of shower you have. But I like to put Castile soap in it because Castile soap is nice and natural, and you're in an enclosed shower, so you don't want to have anything breathe. But, when you're in the shower, showering, you've got conditioner on your head or whatever, and you're waiting, you scrub your shower down. This will make a big difference and keep you from having to deep clean your shower as often. The soap scum and stuff will not develop as fast. And not only that, is it saves time, but when it doesn't develop after you do this, you're not going to be using harsh cleaners. And let me tell you, you don't want to really use too many harsh cleaners in an enclosed shower, especially over time. It's not really good for us. So this is definitely a must-have in my opinion. Okay, another thing I see a lot when I clean houses, and y'all know, especially the people out there with girls, this drain gets clogged so much. Not only does it get clogged and you have to unclog it, it's time consuming and a mess, but when you're not clogging it, the water will just sit in your tub or shower and make it a lot dirtier because it's not draining that soap scum and stuff down the drain. It just sits in your tub and shower. So I always really insist on definitely getting a drain cover. It makes such a difference. Not only in the drain not clogging, but like in showers underneath the drain right there, it'll collect all the hair and like soap and oils, and it just makes a big mess to clean. And so it's really preventable just using a drain hair catcher. There's one place I would use ceramic coating. It's definitely on shower glass. It will help make the water, soap scum, everything just repel and bead off your glass. Therefore, when you get ready to clean your shower glass, it's definitely not as bad. This is applied and look, you cannot even see it. Another big aggravation for people is dust, especially if you have allergies. Did you know that 60% of dust comes from outside? Well, we're going to fix that. Well, it really starts right at your door. So you don't want to wear your outside shoes inside. As soon as you come in, put on your slippers or some comfy shoes. Now, I know this is not possible or feasible for a lot of people. So if you're not going to take your shoes off or you can't get everyone on board with that in your family, I suggest having a mat on the outside and a mat on the inside of your door. That way it's 2 steps that you can get the bottom of your shoes to be wiped off. Also, this is great for pets, and it really does help reduce the dust that is coming in your door, which is about 60%. Vacuum on a regular basis really makes a big difference too. Not only is this all the dirt that has been tracked in from outside, it also is dead skin from animals and or people. It lands right there on your ground and it will spread as dust. So dusting on the regular really helps. Or use my favorite, a robot vacuum. It does it while you're at work. So dead skin makes up the other proportion of dust. So you want to wash your blankets often, your sheets often, and also your pets. They have a lot of attachment. I just got a vacuum. It's a normal cordless vacuum. It's awesome, by the way. And it has a pet hair attachment, or comb your pet a lot, comb it outside. So just do some regular laundry, washing, and this will prevent a lot of the dust. Finally, last but not least, bonus housekeeper tip. When we go clean people's houses, and it's not regular cleaning, say they only get us to come every 4 weeks or just whenever, every 3 months, we charge a lot more to clean that because it takes a lot longer time. So just doing regular schedule routine cleaning is going to help you clean less. It's a fact. If you don't clean your shower in a month or 2, it's going to take you a lot longer. You're going to have to use a lot harsher cleaners and a lot more scrubbing, versus if you just do a quick bathtub shower cleaning once a week. You're never going to have to scrub hard. You're not going to have to use harsh chemicals and worry about, how do I get all this soap scum and stuff off my shower glass? Well, the best housekeeping tip is, don't let that happen. Come back to me, and learn how to get a routine to do shorter time spans of cleaning more often than doing long time spans of cleaning less often. It's a lot better to get a regular cleaning routine down where you're doing shorter time spans of cleaning more often than over here, like neglecting something. You're going to have to clean much longer and harder if you neglect it for a period of time. This is why routines really help so much. I mean, I think if you're going to get one thing down pat, it would be daily habits. Just if it's 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes a day to do these daily habits, just doing 15, 20 minutes a day of these small things are really going to help you in the long run not have to clean as much. I hope you got at least one helpful tip that will help you save time, because at the end of the day, that's all that matters, that you save time and do what you enjoy and love, because life is short. Hey, if you found today helpful, I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe, or even leave me a comment. I love comments. That would help me out and let me know what you find of value. Happy cleaning, and I'll see you next week. Bye.